Hello students of SK Foundation School, welcome to our biology class. Students, today we will continue again with our second lesson on nutrition that we have already started. In our previous lesson we have seen classes of food, balanced diet, nutrition, okay, and function of the three major macromolecules, carbohydrate, protein and fat, their function. Okay students, so let us continue with the remaining part. See this students, malnutrition and deficiency diseases. Students, as we have discussed about the functions, okay, like carbohydrate provides energy, okay, main source of it is body fuel, okay, and protein are the building blocks of organisms, okay. So generally cells, it provides nutrients content for cell growth, okay. Next we have seen about fat also. So they have different functions in the body, and malnutrition is the condition in which a person suffers due to lack or deficiency of one or more essential elements of food. Students, we have seen elements of foods, that is six, there are 6 elements. Those are carbohydrate, fat, protein, and then vitamins, minerals and water. So lack of any of these minerals, essential elements of food, okay. So deficiency मतलब कमी, ठीक है, कोई भी एक एलिमेंट अगर कम हो रहा है तो उसके वजह से क्या होगा, अ पर्सन सफर्स deficiency and disease occurs, okay. Now let us see what diseases can we face, what difficulty we can face if we lack any of element of food, okay. So see, protein deficiency की वजह से क्या होता है, see carbohydrate deficiency, what is the function of carbohydrate, it acts as a body fuel, body को energy provide करता है for every function, okay, for all the activities performed by an organism. And apart from that, protein act as a building block, okay. So if we will not have carbohydrate, we will not have energy, okay. Ultimately we will manage to get energy from protein and fat oxidation, but protein's deficiency, what it will cause, see, protein deficiency leads to, अगर हम लोग का diet food जो है हम लोग का वो, if it will lack protein, so what will happen, there are basically 2 types of diseases if severe deficiency of protein occurs. अगर बहुत प्रोटीन की कमी है, एकदम ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो क्या डिजीजेस हो सकता है, क्वाशियोर्कर एंड मेरास्मस. क्वाशियोर्कर ऑल्सो वी कॉल इट एज सूखा रोग, ठीक है. सो you will see the picture and you will get to understand. See that picture students, this one is kwashiorkor condition, okay. Severe protein deficiency disease usually affecting young children. So what happens students, in young children this condition what causes, what are the symptoms students, these are underweight. As you can see the child who is already having underweight मतलब बहुत एज के अकॉर्डिंग वेट बहुत कम है, ओके. बेली प्रोट्रूडिंग आउट, ऐसे बेली स्टमक बाहर की तरफ निकल के, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बेली, ओके. स्किन डार्क एंड स्केली, स्किन जो है वो बहुत स्मूथ नहीं होगा एज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग रिच क्वांटिटी और सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रोटीन के कम होने से क्या हो रहा है, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट, स्टंट ग्रोथ नहीं सही होगा, एपेटाइट भूख नहीं सही रहेगा, रिपीटेड डायरिया, enlarged liver and anemia, okay. Means anemia means enlarged liver, means liver becomes large in size, and anemia is the condition in which blood lacks RBC, red blood cell, which supply oxygen, okay, and so on. So this is the condition, and this happens because in that case when mother stops breastfeeding their babies at an early age, okay. Why this happens, this because of, as we know, mother's milk is rich in protein. So when next baby comes frequently, means the elder child gets not insufficient protein from their mother's milk, okay. In that condition this happens, all right students. So how can we treat it? The child suffering from kwashiorkor should be given protein rich diet, okay, and consisting of protein. What are the sources we have seen, students? Generally egg, milk, fish, lean meat, and apart from that pulses. Okay, so these are the rich sources of protein. So this condition can be treated by giving protein rich diet. All right, now see marasmus. This is also the lack of this condition is lack of कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन एंड फैट. द प्रीवियस वन क्वाशियोरकर क्या था, वो प्रोटीन की कमी से हो रहे थे. बट इन दिस केस, इन मेरास्मस, व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस condition occurs due to lack of all the three macromolecules, that is carbohydrate, protein and fat in the diet. इसमें बच्चे को ठीक से खाना ही नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, सफरिंग फ्रॉम, वी कैन से हंगर. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? You can see in the picture, student, less body weight, degeneration resulting in very weak body. पूरा मसल का, बॉडी का डिजेनरेशन हो रहा है, बहुत वीक, मतलब जो ऑलरेडी है वो भी एनर्जी यूज़ करके और भी बॉडी डिजेनरेट हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, जो पहले ऑलरेडी था उससे और कम हो रहा है. स्किन बिकम्स लूजली फोल्डेड, थिन फेस, थिनिंग ऑफ लिम्स, एंड एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए क्या है उसमें, पूरा बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर डिजेनरेट हो रहा है. रिप्स वो easily, they can be seen easily. Okay, so these are the conditions. These majorly, mostly affects infant below the age of 1 and is due to the deficiency of carbohydrate, fats and protein in the diet. This disease is caused due to the sudden stoppage of breastfeeding followed by a diet poor in energy giving food like carbohydrate, fats and protein. Okay, so this is the condition, students, and this can be treated by providing a good diet. Okay, the diet which is rich in all these elements of food. Okay, so let's see the next part, students. So we'll talk about vitamins and minerals and water also. Okay, so vitamins are chemically substance, as we have seen, students, the food items, elements of food. बहुत सारे हम लोग classes of food देखे थे. ठीक है, 6 classes of nutrients. उसमें से हम लोग को whatever the food item that we eat, students, okay, so these contain different classes of food like carbohydrate, fat, protein. These are the macromolecules, and apart from that there are micromolecules also that has major function in the body. Those are vitamins and minerals and water. Okay, so vitamins क्या है? Vitamins are chemical substances that we also get from food. ठीक है, फूड से ही मिलता है हम लोग. तो हम लोग अभी देखेंगे इसका क्या क्या सोर्सेज है, कौन कौन से फूड से मिलता है. Vitamins are chemical substances needed in minute amount which help maintain a healthy body. Okay, बॉडी का प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए डिफरेंट फंक्शन में विटामिन्स का ज़रूरत है. तो हमें all these chemical substances, these in minute amount which is needed, but which is very helpful in maintaining healthy body. Okay, so vitamins are naturally contained in food. जैसे मैंने बताया, फूड में ऑलरेडी नेचुरली होता है जो फूड हम लोग खा रहे हैं. ठीक है, और apart from that they are also synthesized in the body. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what are the sources and what are their function, and what if we not get this vitamins in proper quantity, so what will happen? The deficiency diseases. Okay, as I discussed, deficiency diseases means due to lack of any of the elements of nutrients, the disease that comes. Okay, now if we classify vitamins, students, these are we classify in 2 classes, that is fat soluble vitamins and the other one are water soluble vitamins. Okay, so fat soluble vitamins are of 4 types. Okay, there are 4 fat soluble vitamins, that is, those are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Okay, so this sequence we remember it, we learn it in this sequence A, D, E and K. And if we want to remember it in short form, we can call it as KEDA, KEDA. Okay, so whenever we want to recall what are the fat soluble vitamins, it will pop up in our mind, just recalling this term KEDA, KEDA. Any of the letter of this term those are fat soluble vitamins. Alright, So we will learn about the vitamins, their scientific names, important for us, sources and deficiency diseases. Okay, so the function the type of vitamin provides. So if it will not be present, so the deficiency will occur. Okay, deficiency disease. Okay, so let's see. Scientific name for vitamin A is retinol, and its sources are, the major sources that we get from butter, egg yolk, liver, milk, carrots, leafy green vegetables, fish, liver oils and etc. Okay, as we know students, bones are mainly made up of calcium and vitamin A, and the sources, good sources for calcium and vitamin A are, we can say, milk and dairy products. Okay, and apart from that, carrots, egg yolk, these are the major sources of vitamin A. Okay, we get maximum vitamin A from these sources. Okay, and what is the function of this? This vitamin A has major role in eyesight. Okay, this promotes good eyesight, good vision. Okay, especially in low light students. Okay, so let's see function. As I said, vitamin A promotes good eyesight, especially in low light, and promotes growth, resists the infection of the skin and mucus. Okay, skin or mucus. Mucus means internal lining of the skin. Okay, internal organs का lining होता है. So it prevents the skin from the infection. Okay, and it will not be present. So what will be the deficiency diseases, students? Those will be night blindness, as it promotes the eyesight. So what will happen? Night blindness. Night blindness is the condition in which the person is unable to get a clear vision at night. Okay, especially in low light. And xerophthalmia is again a medical condition of eye, in which what happens, the tear is not produced in the eye, okay, and thus causing irritation in the eye, dryness of the eye. So this one is so. And also as it promotes growth, because it is the constituent of bone इससे बना हुआ है, तो growth भी कम होगा, retarded growth होगा. Okay, so these are the deficiency diseases. Now vitamin D, as we know, the major source of vitamin D is what we know, sunlight, right? The scientific name for vitamin D is calciferol, and it is produced by its ultraviolet rays in the skin, and also we get it from milk, egg, fish liver oils. Okay, that will be a common. Now, students, helps the body to use calcium and phosphorus to form bones and teeth. मैंने बताया कि कैल्शियम और विटामिन ए से बोन्स बनता है, और ये विटामिन डी क्या करता है, ये हेल्प करता है बॉडी को कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस को यूज करके बोन्स और टीथ बनाने. ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इफ वी लैक दिस vitamin? What will happen? The diseases are rickets in children. बच्चों में क्या होगा? Rickets, deformed bones. You will see the picture of that ricket in our next slide. Okay, and osteomalacia in adults. ठीक है? तो ये क्या होता है? Rickets mean deformed bones. Bones जो है वो सही folded bones होता है. ठीक है? वो एक straight जो structure है skeleton that gets deformed. Okay. And that is especially in children. And in osteomalacia, this is for adults. This happens in adults when there is sudden lack of vitamin D. In this case, the bone becomes more prone to fracture. Easily fracture होने का chances है. The bone becomes flexible, bone becomes weak. Okay. Now next to that is vitamin E, tocopherol. Scientific name is tocopherol. We get the question, students, like if you can get the question like write down the one sources, one deficiency diseases of vitamin D and K. So in that case, what you will write down the scientific name of. So we get questions like this. So this one is very important to learn from this chapter. Vitamins and minerals, their sources and function. Vitamins are of two classes, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble. We will learn according to this only. And there are minerals. So many minerals are there in the body with which our body is made up of. But which consists our body, but we will learn only 4 minerals according to our syllabus. Okay, so we'll learn. Now vitamin E is tocopherol and its sources are meat, milk, whole wheat. Okay, prevents oxidation of विटामिन ए को ऑक्सीजन लूज करने से, इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करने से, ये ऑक्सीडेशन क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, ये ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में ये केमिकल रिएक्शन है जो बॉडी में होता है, ओके, इन विच वी लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रीली बॉडी में मूव करता है, डैमेज करता है बॉडी, ओके, सो इट प्रिवेंट्स ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ विटामिन ए, एंड इफ इट विल नॉट बी देयर, व्हाट विल हैपन, मसल वीकनेस, nerve damage, immune system problem, these type of diseases will occur. Okay, now vitamin K, phyloquinone, its scientific name is phyloquinone. Leafy green vegetables are the sources, mainly cabbage, spinach, okay, and this is needed in blood clotting. Clotting means when we get a cut, students, on any part of our body, okay, on our skin or anywhere, if skin gets damaged, what happens, the blood comes out, but we see that after some time, whether it is after a minute, if it is a small pinprick, or if it is a major cut, after a minute or an hour or 2 hours, the blood ultimately stops. No, if it will not stop, so due to loss of severe blood loss, we will die ultimately. So this blood gets stop, and the clot, वहाँ पे जो ब्लड जम जाता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं क्लॉट, सो वो नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, विल डाई, राइट, सो दिस विटामिन के हेल्प्स इन ब्लड क्लॉटिंग, एंड इफ इट विल नॉट बी देयर, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, हेमरेज, दैट मींस इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग, स्किन पे कट नहीं दिखेगा बट इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग होगा, दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, फॉर अस, ओके. Now next to that we will see water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins, there are basically 2 types, B and C. Okay, B has different types, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12. Okay, so there are further classes of vitamin B that we learn it as whole vitamin B complex. Okay, and also the scientific name for these is important, students. We need to learn it. Okay, we get questions on this. Like scientific name for vitamin B1 is thiamine, that I have not mentioned here. You will get it in book. Vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Vitamin B3 is niacin. Okay, so deficiency diseases of this, like vitamin B1 deficiency disease is very big. Okay, a condition we'll see. This type of disease is also called vitamin B1 deficiency disease, or it is called thiamine disease, thiamine deficiency disease. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके हम लोग इसको पढ़ेंगे. Now vitamin B sources whole grains, liver, yeast, eggs and lean meat. तो इसका sources क्या है? अच्छा, if we learn it as a whole unit, vitamin B complex अगर हम लोग इसको बोले तो major sources are more or less similar, like lean meat, fruits, some fruits, avocado, like lentils. Okay, vitamins, in case of vitamins, lentils are also the good source, whole grains, liver, eggs, meat, fishes. Okay, these are the major sources, more or less similar for all. Okay, for vitamin B complex. Okay, and what happens, they all have different functions in our body. Like vitamin B1 increases growth and appetite, helps in digestion and nervous system, and so the deficiency disease will occur if it will not be present. Okay, if we will lack this vitamin in our food. Okay, so what causes beriberi? Let's see, students, first beriberi. This picture, as you can see, that sick person. Okay, the main symptoms of this beriberi. What is happening in this condition is, see, first you see this increased growth. What it does, vitamin B1 helps in increasing growth and appetite, भूख लगने में help करता है, and helps in digestion and nervous system. Digestion में और nervous system में ये help करता है, ठीक है? And so the deficiency disease will occur. अगर ये नहीं होगा तो वही जो function ये promote कर रहा है वही नहीं होगा. Okay, तो इस condition में आप देख रहे हैं, हम लोग देख रहे हैं ये जो कंडीशन है इसमें क्या हो रहा है, द पर्सन इज सो सिक दैट इनएबिलिटी टू स्पीक, नर्वस operating, okay, not coordinating to the body. Confusion, withdrawal, okay, great weakness, foot, ये जो foot देखते हैं हम लोग वो swelling, numbness, feeling होगा, sensation, झंझनाहट जिसको होता है. So वैसे ये problems होता है, digestion and nervous system will not operate, okay. This condition is called beriberi. Vitamin B2, that is the full form I said, riboflavin. Sources are liver, milk, yeast, egg and green vegetables. Regulates oxidation of food. And what happens, the deficiency disease will be irritation in eye. If it will not be there, oxidation of food will not be regulated, and what will happen, irritation in the eye, skin, okay. Now vitamin B3, that is also the deficiency disease will be called as niacin deficiency disease, okay. विटामिन बी का साइंटिफिक नेम क्या है, नियासिन. B3, okay. Sources, I have mentioned a common source, okay. Milk, egg will be there for each and every one, and apart from that, fish, meat, these are, okay. Promotes healthy skin, hair, eyes and liver. Now if we do not get sufficient, we will talk about vitamin B3. Promotes health of skin and nervous system, and the deficiency disease will be Pellagra dermatitis. Pellagra dermatitis, these are also the skin infectious diseases, okay. See this Pellagra. Especially irritation in the skin occurs, especially those areas, first at those areas which are exposed to sunlight or sun rays, okay. So first this type of rashes occurs. Dermatitis, again this skin problem. Vitamin B5, full form I have mentioned, okay. Full form, scientific name, pantothenic acid. You need to learn the scientific name, students. You have to, means you need to make your pattern of learning. How will you learn? Scientific names are important, functions are important, deficiency diseases, okay. If you remember the deficiency disease, so you will ultimately get the function, ठीक है. जैसे कि बेरी अगर आपको याद रहा तो बेरी में क्या होता है, पूरा कंडीशन बॉडी का हम लोग देखें, वही नहीं होगा, मीन्स नो डाइजेशन, नो नर्वस सिस्टम विल बी cooperative, okay, cooperative. Vitamin B6, interconversion of amino acids, skin problem, nerve damage, ठीक है. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, liver, meat, milk, cereal, normal functioning of red blood cells, pernicious anemia. Anemia is the condition, lack of RBC in blood, okay. Blood में RBC कम हो जाता है. Blood में क्या होता है, blood हम लोग जानते हैं रेड कलर, राइट. उसमें रेड कलर किस वजह से होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ अ पिगमेंट कॉल्ड हेमोग्लोबिन प्रेजेंट इन RBC, ओके, रेड ब्लड सेल्स. उसकी वजह से ही ब्लड का कलर रेड होता है. और सिर्फ कलर नहीं, उसका फंक्शन है पूरे बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट करना. If we do not have sufficient amount of RBC in our body, will not get the required oxygen. So ultimately there will be problem if you will not get oxygen. What will happen? So vitamin B12 is important for that. Now vitamin C. This was all about vitamin C. There are two types of vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Don't confuse vitamin B and C. So B have a complex including all these 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 12 vitamins. Okay, B. Now this scientific name is ascorbic acid. Sources are fresh citrus fruit, जैसे कि lemon, oranges, these, and also tomatoes, germinating seeds. Germinating seeds are also the good source of vitamin C. अभी जैसे हम लोग ये पैंडेमिक के टाइम में देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, everywhere it was the matter of discussion that we need to boost our immunity, we need to consume excess vitamin C. Okay, means we need to increase our vitamin C consumption. Q, because it provides immunity to our body and it promotes functioning of capillary walls. ब्लड का इजीली फ्लो हो थ्रू आउट बॉडी में और अच्छे से इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट हो, ठीक है, immunity means power to ability to fight germs. Okay, now if it will not be there, if we lack vitamin C, what will happen? Scurvy, increased susceptibility to infection. अगर विटामिन सी कम होगा, नहीं होगा, तो इन्फेक्शन से ज़्यादा चांसेस है इन्फेक्शन होने का। और क्या हो सकता है? स्कर्वी। स्कर्वी इज अ मेडिकल कंडीशन इन विच द टीथ, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ टीथ gets teeth become damaged, gums become swollen, bloody. Okay, so the overall the hygiene of oral hygiene is not good. Okay, that condition, the brittle teeth. Okay, this condition is called scurvy. So now we must have learned that these vitamins in minute amounts are so much important to our body, and these are only required in low concentration, not in like we need to consume, oh these are so important so we need to consume more and more. No, in high quantity excess of vitamin may also be harmful for us. Okay, like water soluble, if we talk about water soluble, these are water soluble and can be excreted easily from the body, but in case of fat soluble vitamins it can be harmful. Okay, so we have seen, students, this one is very Caligula and this one rickets. Okay, I have shown you calcium due to vitamin D deficiency, calcium deficiency. Calcium you will see, students, calcium is mineral, class of mineral. Okay, now next we'll learn about mineral salts. Mineral salts are needed in the diet in small quantities. This is also one element of food, one class of element, okay, sorry, nutrient, and these are the salts needed in the diet in small quantities. And the mineral salts that are mainly involved in the development of our body are calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium and magnesium. मतलब मसल का कोऑर्डिनेशन, नर्व का कोऑर्डिनेशन, पूरे बॉडी को कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए these mineral salts are very much important for our body. Okay, so these are essential to the organs and make up around 4% of our body mass. Okay, so let's see. According to our syllabus, we will learn about only some minerals. Okay, that is calcium, sodium, iron and iodine. Okay, calcium, as I have told you, it is mainly involved in bone. Okay, bones are made up of calcium and the rich sources of this are, if a bone patient, okay, a person having suffering from bone disease and he visits to a doctor, what the doctor suggests? Usually drink milk. Okay, you need to, if we get a fracture also, so the doctor suggests to consume milk and milk products. Why? Because the bones are mainly made up of calcium and vitamin A, and these calcium, the dairy products, the milk are the rich source of calcium and vitamin A. Okay, and the deficiency of that calcium or vitamin D also, A also causes, not A especially, vitamin D and calcium deficiency disease causes rickets. Okay, deformed bones that you can see in the picture. Now this one is due to deficiency of iron. आयरन जैसे हम लोग देखें अनीमिक कंडीशन, जिसमें अभी मैंने बताया कि रेड ब्लड काउंट, रेड ब्लड सेल्स कम हो जाता है, तो उस कंडीशन में ये देखिए कलर, ब्लड का कलर रेड होता है और नहीं है तो कैसा दिखेगा, है ना। तो दिस कंडीशन अनीमिया इज लैक ऑफ आरबीसी इन ब्लड, रेड ब्लड सेल्स कम होगा। ओके, और सिर्फ कलर का ही काम नहीं है, मैंने बताया कि ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट करने का इसका मेजर रोल ऑफ आरबीसी। This one is, this condition, the swelling in the neck, you can see, this condition is called goiter. Okay, and written is in children. Poor mental and physical growth होगा, and this swollen condition due to deficiency of iodine. Iodine क्या है? Iodine salt जो water और sea food से जो हम लोग को मिलता है, those. Okay, the main sources are. And what it does, students, it is a component of thyroxine hormone secreted by thyroid gland. थायराइड ग्लैंड से जो सिक्रेशन होता है it will be less, there will be the goiter. Okay, it will not be in needed quantity. Okay, I hope you have understood, and this is anemic condition, goiter, and that one ricket, and also we have sodium, that is called table salt also, and it regulates acid base balance. सोडियम अगर बताएं स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आप लोग हेल्थ स्टडीज में जब पढ़ोगे यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड सोडियम जो है मसल का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में, मूवमेंट में, नर्व इम्पल्स मतलब नर्व से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है उसमें कैरी करने में, एंड देन ऑल्सो जो हम लोग फूड खा रहे हैं उसको न्यूट्रिएंट्स को अब्जॉर्ब होने में सेल्स में, सोडियम इज वेरी हैज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, ठीक है। सो सोडियम सोर्स, मेजर सोर्स इज टेबल सॉल्ट, एंड इफ वी रिड्यूस, ठीक है, एक्सेस सोडियम से क्या होता है, हाइपरटेंशन होता है। अगर हम लोग सोडियम का क्वांटिटी कम कर देते हैं तो क्या होगा, कम करने से इट इज नॉट गुड, द कोऑर्डिनेशन इन द बॉडी विल नॉट बी दैट एज इट वाज बिफोर, ओके, वैसा कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं होगा। तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग के लिए, हम लोग को ये पढ़ना है इन द मोस्ट ईजीएस्ट वे आई हैव टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट्स, and you need to go through the book for this. Here balanced diet, I have already discussed about balanced diet. The balanced diet is one which a diet is a diet which contains all the principal constituents of food in proper quantity. अभी ये अलग-अलग for a person, average adult person if you talk about the calorie requirement, energy जो body को चाहिए होता है per day, that is 2400 kilocalorie, okay, approximate. अभी देखिए adult woman में 2000 to 2400 and an adult man 26 to 3000. So approx value we take it as 2400 for an adult person per day, okay, and this is the calorie requirement. We have discussed the calorie requirement by every different person, other persons, okay, and the balanced diet differs on several factors: age, sex, lifestyle, okay, body surface ratio. So this you need to watch the first one, which first video also, first part of this nutrition for that. And this one is the chart. You can be asked, mention the calorie requirement for an adult woman, okay, mention the calorie requirement for a pregnant lady, okay. So this way you will be answering, you need to go through this thing, okay. Now go through your textbook students, that will be helpful for you, get a clear understanding, as many of the chapters have been used from the syllabus this time. So whatever I have told you, very important for our exams, okay.